Hello everyone, I'm doing a video here to show you how to replace a pin and spring on a Dremel 200. The first shot you saw was my current spring. That is the reason why I'm replacing it. It's bent. I bent it because I was taking the Dremel apart previously and incorrectly reinstalling it, I happened to bend it. If that happens to you and it looks even slightly bent, just replace it. Get a new one. They're not too expensive. E-Replacement Parts is an online store that I saw had reasonable prices, as well as Amazon. The spring itself, it would just take too much time to just recreate it and try to reshape it. So over here, I took apart the Dremel with the 4 screws and I pried it open. I also removed the cap. Once you take it apart, you can just take it apart with the side that without the internals, I mean, and go ahead and find the hole where the pin would go and just place that in first, followed by the spring, the new spring. The new spring I held upside down, and once I held that upside down and while pushing in the pin, it kind of centered it. And I just put the two halves together and gave it a test, and it seemed to work. So I hope that answers any of your questions, and I hope you guys don't